VOYO is an advanced car tracker with real-time GPS location and driving insights. It also features professional-grade diagnostics to ensure your vehicle stays in top condition. Once you have onboarded your VOYO device and open the VOYO app, you will land on Dashboard. Dashboard allows you to track a network of cars like a family or a small fleet, all in real time. Each car has a home screen that shows its location as well as miles driven, time driving, amount of gas used, and fuel economy. You can view all that data for individual days or for the last week, month, and year. In Control Panel, you'll find important information such as gas level, odometer, remaining oil life, and tire pressure. By swiping left, you can view the same data on other cars in your network. Unlike most OBD2 devices on the market, VOYO reads both generic and manufacturer trouble codes from all the car's computers. This allows you to run a professional-level diagnostic scan on your car. You can view recalls, share reports, and clear codes in the app. When you link your car with a repair shop on VOYOLink, all your vehicle health information is automatically transferred in real time to that shop. Shop technicians can then investigate problems remotely and schedule service for things like diagnostic trouble codes, oil changes, and other alerts such as battery and tire issues. Returning to Dashboard, a green ring means your car is on, and a blue ring means that a car driven by someone else in your network is on. When VOYO is not connected to the cloud, it will save data until the connection is restored. Once reconnected, a yellow ring will show the transfer of data. You can view all your trips on a map. You can also view individual trips, including driving data. Another useful feature is lookout alerts. These are safety alerts for hard braking, swerving, the engine left running, a failing battery, and much more. The alerts are displayed in the app and can also be sent automatically by SMS or email, for example, to family members. Each alert comes with additional details such as time and location. Alerts can be deleted in the app once reviewed. The VOYO data is summarized once a month in Snapshot and also sent as an email. In Settings, you can view details about your account in VOYO devices, set up a network of cars, and specify alert settings as well as privacy and data sharing preferences. Settings also lists all VOYO features supported on your car. Learn more about VOYO and the VOYO app at voyomotive.com. If you have any questions, please email us at contact@voyomotive.com.